Have you ever experienced this? Someone asks you a simple question in English. How was your day? And inside your brain, Hindi, English, grammar check, vocabulary search. By the time you are ready to answer, the conversation is already over. The problem isn't that you don't know English. The real problem is your brain is still translating every sentence. As long as you keep translating, you never speak naturally. The good news is, today I'm going to show 5 daily exercises that train your brain to think directly in English. No expensive course, no memorize thousands of words, no perfect grammar. Just simple habit that anyone can start today. And make sure you stay until the end. Because last exercise is so powerful that most English learners never even tried. Let's begin. Imagine a baby. Does baby learn a language by study grammar? The baby simply hear words every day. Mummy, water. Come here. Sit. Slowly, those sounds become meanings. You need to create a same environment. From today, start changing small things around you into English. Change your phone language. Change your laptop language. Watch YouTube recommendation in English. Follow English page on Instagram. Read product labels. Read signboard. Read restaurant menu. Don't worry if you understand only 30%. Your brain is collecting English all day. Think of it like perfume. Even, even if you don't spray it directly, you still smell it when someone walks by. English works the same way. The more you surround yourself with English, the more familiar it's become. Soon, English will stop feeling like a foreign language. Second, this is the one of the easier exercise, but almost nobody does it. Right now, look around the room. What do you see? A chair, a bottle, a fan, a window, a bag. Now, don't say their names in Hindi, but say directly in English. Say directly them in English. Then make tiny sentences. My bottle is full. My fan is moving. The window is open. My phone is charging. Simple, very simple. That's exactly what you want. When you go outside, continue the game. I can see two buses. The weather is hot. The shop looks busy. The sky is cloudy. You don't need difficult vocabulary. You are teaching your brain to connect real life with English. At first, your brain still translates. That's normal. But after a few weeks, you'll notice something amazing. The English word appear first. That's when fluency begins. Third, now here an exercise that feels strange, unbelievable well. Talk yourself. Yes, in English. Don't worry, people don't have to hear you. Do it while you are alone. When you wake up, say, I'm still sleepy. I need some water. I have to get ready. I'm cutting vegetable. The tea smells good. I forgot the sugar. While driving, the traffic is heavy. I think I will be late before sleeping. Today was a busy day. I'm tired. I should sleep earlier. Notice something? These are not difficult sentences, but these are the sentences native speakers use every day. The biggest mistake learner makes is trying to speak advanced English before mastering simple English. Simple English spoken confidently is far better than advanced English you never use. Exercise 4. Let me ask you something. When I say apple, did you see a word or fruit? Probably the fruit. That's exactly how your brain should learn English. Most learners do this English word, translate, knitting language. Instead, try this. When you hear the word rain, imagine yourself walking with an umbrella. When you are hungry, imagine pizza or your favorite food. When you hear running, picture someone running in the park. Images are universal. Translation is slow. Pictures are fast. This is why children learn language much faster. They connect words with experience, not dictionary. So whenever you learn a new word, close your eyes for 5 seconds and create a mental picture. You remember it much longer. Fifth exercise. This exercise can completely transform your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. It's called shadowing. Here's how it's work. Find a easy English video. Listen to one sentences and pause. Repeat immediately. Copy everything. The pronunciation, speed, emotions. If speakers say, I don't know, don't just repeat the word. Repeat the feeling. I don't know. Again, again, and again. Don't just repeat the words. Repeat the feeling. I don't know. Again, again, again. Don't worry if your accent isn't perfect. The goal isn't sound American. The goal is sounding natural. Practice with easy video. Now, not difficult movie. If you understand 80%, you are using the right material. If you understand only 10%, it's too difficult to remember this. Easy practice create confidence. Confidence create consistency. Consistency create fluency. Remember, fluent English doesn't happen overnight. It happens one small habit at a time. Today you learn 5 powerful exercises. Build an English environment. Describe everything around you. Talk yourself every day. Learn words through pictures. Shadow native speakers. If you practice these every single day, one morning, without even realizing, you answer someone in English without translating first. And trust me, that feeling is unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, write in the comments. From today, I think. Today, I will think in English. I read every comment. And I love to know which exercise you are going to start with. If you want more practical English lesson then actually improve your fluency, hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I see you in the next video. Till then, keep keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, fluency is built through small daily habits, not perfect grammar.